How to make a collage art on Canva. Hey everyone and welcome, I hope you're all doing great. In this video I will show you all you need to do in order to get this quick and easily done. So to get started, obviously you would want to just go ahead and go to canva.com. You can create your account for free and we can just go ahead and start for free. The only thing that you need to do is just go ahead and open up the homepage and click on custom size, where you'll be able to create a blank canvas with a custom size that you want. Now, the size of the actual canvas is not going to make a difference. Obviously, this is pure preference. So just go ahead and select whichever size that is going to suit you and your project best. I'm just going to go for this one because I don't really have a size in mind here. I'm just going to go for a plain square one here. Now, to get started with a collage, what we are going to be doing here is, obviously a collage is going to be a few sections. So we are actually going to be looking for a grid where we can just go and replace the empty spots or the empty grids with actual images that we have. So this is going to make things a lot easier for us. So how do we actually do that? So it is very simple. You just want to head on over to the elements section on the left panel. And then from here, you just want to go ahead and search for grid. Just like that. And once you see this, you will find this section where you will find like a few grids that you can choose with this specific background. This means that you can actually go ahead and place them. And then after that, you can just go and replace each section, or I should say empty section, with a image of your own. So let's just go ahead and demonstrate that. You can just go and browse all the different grids that we have available here. So we can just go and select whichever one. I think I like this one. I'm just going to go ahead and select this one. So just go and click on it, and it's actually going to be automatically placed in the background accordingly. So now, as you can see, we have 1, 2, 3, 4 different empty grids. And we just want to replace the images with ones that we want. So to do so, we just want to go to the uploads section, and then you just want to click on upload files. Obviously in here, you just want to go ahead and search for the images that you want to add. I already do have images in Canva, so I don't really need to upload anymore, but for you, you just want to go ahead and upload it. So once it is actually uploaded, you should find it within the upload section here. You can actually see all the images that you have. So all you need to do, select the image, drag and drop it wherever you actually want it to be. And as you can see, it's actually automatically going to take the size and space of that empty grid. So we are just going to repeat the process 3 more times. So I'm just going to go ahead and grab the blue one now. And then I'm just going to go back to uploads, drag and drop the red one right over here. And then we can just go to uploads and drag and drop this image as well. And now we have our collage art with Canva. All we need to do is just go to share on the top right, download, and we can just download it as a PNG and we're good to go. So this is pretty much all for this video. Hopefully you found it to be helpful, and thanks for watching.